There's going to be a twist in this video. Having kids was never in my to-do list or in my plan of life. Moment doctor said that, started shivering. Welcome back to my channel. So as you must have seen the title, you know what this video is going to be. Take your coffee, whatever you prefer, and watch the video till the end. There's going to be a twist in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So 2 years ago, if someone told me that I would become a mom and my entire life would change, I don't think I would have believed that. Because having kids was never in my to-do list or in my plan of life. But destiny had different plans for me, and here we are. So आधीपासून सुरू करूया. The reason of going to the doctor was stomach pain, stomach issue, and almost 1 महिन्यापासून माझं पोट दुखायचं काही ना काही कारणामुळे. And I always ignored that. I took some medicine of stomach related by asking our cousin doctors or someone without having anything like this in my mind. So one fine day we decided to go to the doctor, and she asked if I have done my pregnancy test. And I was like, no, I don't think that's needed. So we haven't done that. She said, आपण आधी प्रेग्नन्सी टेस्ट करूया अँड देन बघू काय रिझल्ट येतो त्याच्यावर आपण ठरवू नक्की काय इश्यू आहे काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे. सो आय वॉज लाईक ओके. आय वॉज 99.9% शुअर दॅट टेस्ट इज गोइंग टू बी निगेटिव्ह. असं काही नसणार आहे. बट मोमेंट डॉक्टर सेड दॅट, oh, congratulations, you are pregnant. I started shivering. I had tears in my eyes. It was not out of excitement or, oh wow, what a surprise. And no, I was shocked. Literally shocked that I was not ready for. आम्ही कोणालाच सांगितलं नाही. Like only me and my husband knew about this. We didn't tell our close friends or any family members, anyone. The same evening, we were asked to come again for the sonography. So the moment sonography report came, I was already in my 3rd month, 9 week, 3 days or 5 days something, and heartbeat was there. We had our time till evening. We were sure that at some point we have to tell our families. The amount of hours I have cried after that report is insane, and not out of excitement but out of fear, to be very honest, because I was really not ready for having kids. Never thought about it, to be very honest. It's not like I never wanted kids, but I never thought about having kids in general. But destiny had different plans, trust me. And I can still feel my goosebumps right now because माझ्यासाठी खूप जास्त शॉकिंग होतं because I was not ready for it. My husband has always been a family person, always wanted to have kids someday in life. Like he had that thought at least, but I never even had a thought about it. But I just decided to go with the flow. There was no one to ask about this because I was already in my 9th week, 3 days or 5 days something, and heartbeat was there. So there was also some guilt of discontinuing and doing something wrong because I know my husband is with me no matter what decision I make. So he was, and he has always been the biggest support in my life. So I decided to go with the flow. I didn't tell anyone. I took my time before sharing this news with my family members, my friends, and everyone else because I was not ready myself. So I took my time to prepare myself mentally. I cried for hours for every single night, day, whenever I felt overwhelming, I felt scared. जेव्हा मी सांगितलं सगळ्यांना तेव्हा I was already in my 4th month. Even when I told my relatives, my family members, I was not fully ready, but I decided to go with the flow, just take it all in. Then comes the 2nd trimester. Because of some kind of exertion जी मी नको होती करायला तेव्हा, त्याच्यामुळे I had cervical stitches, which means बाळ थोडं खाली आलं होतं. So there was a risk of premature pregnancy or premature delivery. So I had stitches. So I was asked to have some rest. And my husband, my in-laws have always been the greatest support. I have seen my husband changing into a whole new personality when I got pregnant, like buying a book for me to read every single day, making sure he fills my water bottle every single day and I drink enough water, giving me medicines on time after each meal, doing very small things that I don't even think he would have done, like touch wood. But I'm so grateful for my husband, to universe, to God, whatever you believe in, because you never know what God has planned for you, and God's plan over everything else. When I got in my 9th month, which was August, I had an appointment for a sonography. My gynec checked everything and everything was fine. But due date नंतरचे 2 दिवस झालेले होते. पाणी थोडं कमी झालं होतं. So I went for the sonography and my gynec said that you should get admitted and let's just not wait anymore. We asked doctor that if we can come in 2 hours or something, because bags were ready, everything was ready at home, but I was not ready for that. By the way, fun fact, where my mom delivered me, the same gynec has delivered my baby too. So the day came, and the moment my husband was leaving to get bags and everything, I literally had tears in my eyes. Like, I'm still having goosebumps while sharing all of this because it's really overwhelming. I was literally so scared of the delivery and everything. And I had written a letter to my husband, if something bad happens to me while delivering a baby, here are the things that you are supposed to do. And touch wood, nothing bad happened. Procedure started around at 1:32 p.m. I guess. So तेव्हा गणपती चालू होते and everyone was waiting for the baby. I had a baby boy. It was a very overwhelming experience to deliver a baby. The moment जेव्हा डॉक्टरने मला बाळ दाखवायला आणलं, that moment has no words to express. There are no words for that feeling. No, so many things were happening to my mind because my entire life changed the moment I delivered my baby. And after delivering a baby, there are so many things happen to your mind, to your body. There are so many things that I can still share, and I think that story is for some another day, or we can do a part 2 of this video too. So let me know, तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज कमेंट मध्ये सांगा की मी पार्ट 2 केला पाहिजे की नाही. आणि इफ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस व्हिडिओ, मी मराठी आणि इंग्लिश मध्ये मिक्स व्हिडिओ हा ट्राय केलाय बनवायचा, बिकॉज लेट्स सी, जर का तुम्हाला आवडला तर मी पुढचे व्हिडिओज पण हे असेच कंटिन्यू करेन. So if you want a part 2 of this video, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for sticking by. Thank you so much for all your love, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.